welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today is Friday. Is it Friday? Today's Friday. It is 12:53. I just came in here to intro this video because I realized that I didn't have a proper intro. I think this was supposed to be part of a different video, but it got messed up. Anyway, I came to intro this video. It's a vlog. Obviously, we make lunch, we make dinner. I went to Woolies and got something that I didn't intend on getting, but like you'll see that in the video. And then we chat a little bit, a little life update. Really, it like got really deep there, like the tangents were tangenting. And so it started off really light, and then we just like kind of did like a life update. And then yeah, I think that was it. I think we end off with, hold on, let me tell you. And then we end off with picking an outfit for church, which is always such a problem. But like, anyway, I will stop rambling. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hi everyone, so it's 3:35, it's Thursday. I'm about to cook dinner. So for dinner today, we're gonna have chicken in the oven. We're gonna have corn boiled on the stove. And we're gonna have frozen vegetables, and that's gonna be dinner. And I think that's enough. I also just had that meal that I showed you. That packet is really spicy. It's got like the flavor is so different. But I don't think I'll purchase it again. Actually, let me not say that because I don't really know, but I don't think I'll purchase it again. I think I'm over that one. Let's cook.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better now. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Aha, door slam to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? This be over now? Is this over now? Now is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over?
Okay, so this is everyone's plate. Everyone has chicken, mixed vegetables, and some corn. I'm gonna wrap this up and we're done.
I'm not gonna be there for you, 'cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never fade. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times that wasn't my good. Cause you're not on your knees. Wasn't it for me?
You're on 10%. You were on 9, but you're on 10 now. So, hi. We just got back from very, very far away. We went to Melbourne. My mom went to her dentist. Not really the dentist, like the dental specialist. There we go. She went to her dental specialist for one of her teeth. So that's the whole reason why we went out. And on our way back we went into Food Lovers Market because I really like their soft citrus. It's like 20 rand a kilo, so I got a few of that, but let me show you. Ooh. Okay, so I picked up this like cake tray because the sponge looks really soft and I just wanted cake, I guess. This is 50 bucks and it's got 3 vanilla and 3 chocolate. I wanted to try both flavors. They also have just all vanilla, they also have all chocolate, they also have like one with 4 pieces of chocolate and 2 vanilla. Like they are looking out for everyone. The whole reason why we went is these giant soft citrus. I think this was like 33 rand for this whole bag. And then I got another bag. This one was like 38 rand because it's got like one more, I think. But yeah, they're so yummy. They're so delicious. I love them. A little Coke. My mom picked up the sushi container. I don't really like salmon California rolls, so she got that. More of the giant soft citrus. They're really delicious. 2 of these juices. This one's guava and this one's apple and pomegranate. And then we went to Woolworths. My mom was looking for boots for my sister. I showed you my boots like I think it was last week sometime. Maybe Monday, maybe Sunday, can't remember. But we got some rotisserie chicken. We actually got 2 of them. My mom doesn't feel like cooking. She also got some roasting vegetable packs. It's got the rosemary in it. I also got some sweet corn. These are minis. Another pack of roasting vegetables. And then she picked up some socks. Just like a multi-color pack. I'm a black girl sock fan. I'm a black sock girl. There we go. And then these are the boots that my sister picked out. She wasn't there, so she picked them out over like FaceTime. We FaceTimed her. These are really, I like a pointed heel. I love a pointed heel. Pointed like front. It's not the heel, but I love the point. So she picked these out. They're like a matte leather, and these were 700 bucks, but they have a 30% off sale now to like, so yeah, these are really cute. They're really cute. So yeah, that's everything that we got. I'm gonna go eat. I haven't had anything to eat, and it's almost 4 o'clock. It's 20 to 4. I had one of the citrus. But yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so I will probably see you guys tomorrow because there's nothing else happening today. I also did my makeup really light, like really light. Just like foundation, contour. I'll show you the next time I do it. I should do it sometime soon. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi everyone. I know the lighting's bad, and I told you I'd probably see you tomorrow, but what did I come on here to tell you? I have no idea. I can't remember now. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I came on here to tell you that I really want like combat boots. I mean, I have like Doc Marten style boots, but they're not really, well, I guess they fall under combat, but I want like JK combat boots, and I saw them at Foschini. They were like 700 bucks though, but they were cute, and I really think I should go back and check if they still have my size. This was ages ago, maybe a month and a half, 2 months ago. I'd be lucky if I found them, but I also think walking into Foschini just in general is a bad idea, because they have way too many cute things for everyone, and I don't know, I feel like it would be too dangerous to walk in there unless I was like on a mission to like buy everything that I see, which is not that hard at Foschini. It's not that hard. They have so many cute things. But those shoes, maybe if I walk in with like my blinders on, I could totally go get them. Like if I find a picture, I'll put it right here, but like they're really cute. Or maybe I'll just get them. If I get them, I'll show you. If I don't get them, then you'll never know what they look like. I went for a walk earlier. It looked like it was gonna rain every day, like at around the same time, like clockwork. The sky gets all gloomy and there's thunder, and I'm just like, why? So it's messing with my walking, but I did go walk, and I was wearing this hat. I was wearing my bucket hat, so it was me in the bucket hat and then a mask. So this is all people saw. I love that. I love it. Oh, I always wear a mask when I go for walks because there's so many little flying bugs everywhere. So I reckon that's just how it's gonna be. Also, I wear a mask like just in general, like at the store. I just personally, I love the look of a mask. Like it's almost like an accessory to me. Even when everyone stopped, I was just like, it's so cute. Maybe it's because when we're in China, they wear masks like all the time. That's because their air quality is so bad, but masks are pretty much a regular thing. They were a regular thing before the pandemic, and they're still a regular thing. So when we went there quite a couple of times, and I would see them wearing masks, and I'm just like, it looks so cool. And so when we had to wear masks because it wasn't cool, because it was like life or death, we were all wearing masks. And then as soon as that threat was gone, even though it's not really gone, no one really wears a mask anymore. Very few people. I love it. It literally, if I go into a room of people, I'm probably like a handful of people. I'm part of a handful of people that are wearing masks, and so we naturally stand out, which I'm not mad. Like, thank you. But anyway, yeah, this battery is still on 7%. We have load shedding now, and I didn't charge you. In my defense, I only came up when I went for a walk, but I definitely could have put you in. But anyway, let me try and edit a video and see if I can get one up for Sunday. I think Sundays, a lot of people that I am subscribed to post on Sundays, so I think people are expecting vlogs or something on Sunday. So that being said, I'm gonna try, it's Friday today, I'm gonna try see if I can edit a video today, finish it off tomorrow, upload it on Sunday. That would be great. That will be my second video this week, but doesn't Sunday technically mean it's a new week? Anyway, whatever the technicalities are, I think for the most part, the gesture will be appreciated. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. I've been reading little book updates. I haven't done one of those in so long. They're gonna be regular, I swear. I'm forcing myself to get back into it. There's so much. Like, I'm trying to watch more TV, I'm trying to read. I'm struggling to juggle all the things. If I pick up something new, something drops, and so I just need to find a balance. Maybe I just need to go to bed earlier and wake up earlier so I can do more things. But like, doesn't that counter each other? If I sleep earlier, I get less done, but if I wake up earlier, it kind of balances itself out, and so it would be the same. Anyway, I'm reading Twisted Games. I'm not that far into it. Hold on. I'm not that far into it. Probably like 2% into it. I love it. I can't say I love it so far because it's really nothing happening. It's story building at this point. So I'm liking it. I'm not hating it so far, which is great. I don't know if I told you, but I did get a jump rope, and the first day that I used it, I didn't know your body could ache that much. I had no idea your body could ache that much in so many places. It was insane. But yeah, I'm thinking, because it's getting really cold and the sun is setting at 5:30 now, and I usually leave the house to go walk at 5, and I don't like to walk when it's dark outside. I don't think anyone likes to walk when it's dark outside. So if I don't leave the house at 4:30, it's just way too dark for me to do like a full route. I have to do like a short route, and then I feel like I didn't really do the workout that I was supposed to do. So I think this will help a lot in like the colder months when it gets dark at like 5 p.m. But yeah, that's kind of the update that I have right now. We don't have any plans for tomorrow. I also found out today that Mother's Day is like coming really soon, and my mom was like, oh my gosh, you guys she said something about, oh, you just pretending you don't know that it's coming. And I'm like, okay. Yeah, my mom's been watching a lot of YouTubers recently, like South African YouTubers, and she's like on my back. Like, she'll watch everyone do what they do, and then she'll, you know, come back and she'll be like, you should be more loud, or you should be, your intro should be a little more like this, or like you should do this, so you don't do this, you need to talk more, you need to, you know, treat people like your besties. I'm like, thanks. I don't want it to ever feel like it's a job. I really enjoy vlogging, and not every vlogger has to give the same content. That would be boring. So I think it's good to have different, like a variety of different people to watch. That way you're getting your fill of aesthetic content from one person, you're getting your fill of real raw content from another, you're getting your fill of, you know, rich girl spoiled aesthetic from another person. You know, there's like different vibes that everyone gives, and I don't know what my vibe is. I'm pretty harsh on myself, so you can decide for yourself what the vibe is here, but it's definitely not aesthetic. You're not coming to me for the aesthetics, I know that. So, and I'm fine with that, because you have so many people to choose from. Like, the aesthetic people are everywhere. They're everywhere, and you get your fill more on every platform. So I definitely think there's no shortage of each type of person. I just think there are types of content that are saturated. Like I could do the aesthetic thing, but like it's been done. It's being done. It'll probably be done forever. And I think I'm trying to incorporate more content. Like I heard you guys asking about, you know, seeing me do my bed, seeing me, you know, not going to the shower obviously, because this is not the platform for that, but just like getting ready, getting out of bed, like the aesthetic part of aesthetic content but without the aesthetics. I heard that you would like to see that. I will try to get more content. Obviously I'm trying to upload like longer vlogs, so I'm gonna vlog everything basically is what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna try and vlog everything, and then whatever makes the cut makes the cut. And as I keep trying, I'll find my groove and it'll probably get better and better. But yeah, this year I'm gonna finish my honors degree, and then I don't know, I have so many hopes and dreams, but I don't like speaking about my hopes and dreams before there's like concrete steps that have been taken into them for sure happening. So I probably won't say anything about what my hopes and dreams, like there's one really big one, and it's nothing like buying anything. I really want something, and I think that if we take actionable steps into making it happen, I'll definitely bring you along and let you know what's happening. But for now, it's just a pipe dream, so we'll leave it at that. I should probably film another makeup tutorial where I like talk like life updates, even though there's literally nothing to update you on. But I do think a lot of people still, oh, not a lot of people, but a few of you still like makeup tutorials. I try to incorporate them in my vlogs, but obviously like an actual makeup tutorial video is filmed differently, so we'll see. I probably do need filler content, so like the empties videos and the grocery hauls, a makeup tutorial here and there would help out a lot, especially if I'm trying to do longer vlogs more frequently. But again, don't quote me on any of this. I'm literally just rambling at this point, so yeah, don't quote me, but I am gonna try to work harder. You're on 1%. I gotta go. I'm just gonna switch your battery out, but like I gotta go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone. So today's Saturday. I don't think I spoke to you today. Earlier we were just going to go fetch things that we took to the dry cleaner. So I took 2 pairs of jeans that needed to be hemmed, like they needed to be made shorter. So I went to go collect them today, and I was just gonna go do that, but then my mom said she reminded me that I wanted to go get boots from Woolies, like heeled boots. And then we went to Woolworths and I almost got the heels that I spoke about. I don't know if I spoke about them in this video or the previous one, but I put them on the screen. I'll put them on the screen again. They're so pretty. They look so nice on. But the mistake that I made is that I didn't go straight to the till to pay. So we walked around and looked at things, and I found a jacket that I really liked. So the shoes were 1,000 rand, and then there was 30% off, so they were going to be 700 bucks, which is really good. But then I saw the jacket, and then the jackets and coats were also 1,000 rand, minus like Country Road and the other brand, the one with the T, trendy, something with the T. Minus those 2 brands, jackets and coats were also 30% off. So this jacket was 1.3 and I paid 909 for it. Let me show you. Look at it. Hold on. Let me give you like a proper view here. Should I put it on a hanger? Hold on. Here's the jacket. How cute. So it's this is this Sherpa? Kind of like a Sherpa material. It's very much like teddied, It's got like a teddy core for sure. This is a size XXL. This was 1.3. I don't know if the sale is still on. This was the last XXL. The rest of them were like smalls and mediums, as per usual. That was the price, but I paid 30% off, so I paid $9.09. How cute. So it's got silver detailing. I'm really happy I got more silver jewelry because I see myself leaning into like silver accented pieces more. It's so cute. I love it. Me personally, I love it. It's also got this like leather, so where the zips are and like in this like piping detail, it's leather. Not leather, what? Yeah, leather, like leather jacket material. Yeah, it's like that. And then also the zips by the pockets also have leather, and these are actual zips, so I'll try it on for you. This is XXL. The arms are long for me, but that's kind of my thing. So normally I probably won't wear it zipped up unless it's like -1 degrees. The inside of the pocket is also the fluffy material, but yeah, let me pan you down. So this is it. I love the length. That's, hold on, let me tuck that in. That kind of sold me, the length. It's not long, it's not hitting like my hips, it's falling just below my waist. I love that. This is what it looks like. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with the decision. It was a hard decision choosing between the shoes and this jacket, but as soon as I saw the jacket, I loved it. I think what would have made the decision easier was if I didn't have a size in the jacket, and then it would have definitely been the shoes. But this, it's got like it looks oversized because it's so bunched up. Because the arms are so long on me, I wear it like that. So it's got like an oversized look, which I love. But yeah, this jacket, it's so cute. They have like a dark one, like a really, really dark one. Not the same design, but similar. But yeah, I really like this one. It's like a nudie beige. I think this is my winter jacket. I really want a puffer jacket though, so I'm still going to look for that. It is almost 10 o'clock. I wanted to edit a video and see if I could upload it tomorrow. I don't think that's gonna happen though. Tomorrow's church, so I really want to get into bed by 10. I don't plan on staying up till 1 a.m. Well, actually, that's a lie. I don't plan on staying up till 1 a.m. outside of my bed, because I usually get into bed and then I'm on TikTok or YouTube, not YouTube, TikTok or Twitter like for hours and hours, especially when there's an August D concert, which there is one tonight. But the concert starts at 3 a.m. I couldn't stay up yesterday. I literally fell asleep at 2:30. So I'm definitely not staying up, because if it starts at 3, it's going to end at 5. I can stay up for sound check, but that's at 2. I'm also not doing that. I think I'm going to sleep by 1 o'clock latest, because I have to be up at 5 anyway. I also need to figure out what I'm wearing to church tomorrow, which is probably my least favorite thing to do, honestly, because it's such a process. 95% of the time I literally don't know what to wear. So let's check the weather real quick. ignore it. But this is the outfit. This is gonna do. This is going to do. There's no, I'm not spending any more time. It is past 10. I'm supposed to be in bed. But these are those shoes that I bought. They're cute. To me, at least. Don't mind my socks in the background. I've been busy, but like, I think they're quite adorable, actually. They are slightly loose. If it wasn't for the little straps, they would come out. So the size 6 runs big. Yeah, let's go with that. And then just this gold skirt. It's not really, it's like a champagne gold. I'm not wearing any shapewear now. I'll probably wear some tomorrow. And then this shirt, I'll probably like bow this up, but yeah, I think we're giving cute school teacher vibes. I'm not mad. Yeah. So cute. Okay.